Yo guys, I'm back again with another video. It's your boy TMK guys. Basically now guys, it's 1 o'clock and I decided not to sleep guys, just because I was having stress guys. Because of you guys, I wanted to give you this video guys, this app guys, just because I know that a lot of people are they're commenting like they need more apps. So I decided to give you guys this app guys. I couldn't sleep, so I decided to give you this app guys, so that you can make extra cash for yourself guys. Please, if you are new to my channel, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, so that each and every time when I drop a video, you'll be the first one to get it. And make sure that we grow together guys. So always guys, on this app guys, you make money just by referring to people, but I'll explain everything on the video. Please guys, watch this video until the end guys, so that you won't miss any step that I'm gonna show you. This app guys is more like KKBT, but on this app we're gonna do it differently. So guys, please make sure you watch this video until the end, so that you won't miss any step that I'm gonna show you. Okay, invest with the free 30 rand and get 100 rand per day. So guys, basically what they're trying to say guys, if you refer your friend guys, you're gonna get a 30 rand each and every time guys when you refer your friends. Because as you can see here, they're giving us free 30 rand. Invest with the the free 30 rand and get 100 rand per day. As you can see, they're giving us free 30 rand when we register, so that and you can, if you invest 30 rand, like they're going to give you a 30 rand free. So if you use that 30 rand and invest, you're gonna get 1 rand per day. So now I think you understand. I've explained well. Step 2, invite one person to log in Satanos, yeah, something like that, to get 2 rand and accumulate 100 people to get 289 rand extra. Wow, what he's trying to say guys, invite one person to log in Satanos to get 2 rand. When someone comes here and when you invite someone to log on Satanos, yeah, something like that, to get 2 rand and accumulate 100 people to get 200. Yeah, okay, basically you understand what they're trying to say. So you can read it for yourself guys. You can read it for yourself. Step 3, share your investment experience with others and get small rand return. As you can see for yourself. Okay. So guys, as you can see here, and on, let me check well the VIPs, the investment. Let us see the investment. Okay, invest 800 and you can get 23 rand every day. When you invest with 800 guys, you're gonna get 22 rand every day. The most you can get is 4,200. Wow, that's a lot. Step 2, invite 50 people to log in Sanitas and get 100 rand guys. So as you can see guys, the more you invite people, the more you get a lot of money, man. Like it's like bro, you that's a lot. As you can see, you're going to go through and check out everything here guys for yourself. So what I can do, I can show you guys is how to set everything up here. You can come here guys and click here when you want to start referring. Gonna click refer. Let me show you. You're gonna click somewhere here where they said refer, and you're gonna come here. Where they say more. So you're gonna click here where they say copy, or you're gonna click on WhatsApp if you want to share on WhatsApp. But if you want to share somewhere differently, you're gonna click where they said copy, and you're gonna share everywhere you want, and tell them to, like, telling them that you want to invite them where to the site where they can make money. Like, yeah, I don't know, you can be creative and write something that you can convince them to click your link to register on this website guys. That's basically how you make money on this website with the other method guys. Yes, hope you understand. So basically you guys are worrying like, how can we withdraw? Yeah, that's the question you have. I know that's the question that you have. So you're gonna click here where they say we're gonna click down here. So we're gonna click, okay, basically we don't wanna recharge, but you can put your bank accounts here, can do all the stuff. I don't know what's your bank account, and you can click withdrawal when you think like, okay, I want to withdraw the money. My data guys, my data shut down. I don't know why. I don't know what's going on, guys. My network is gone. Guys, can wait a couple of minutes. I'm fixing this. Oh, my Wi-Fi is bad, guys. Okay, guys, I think I've explained well. So when you come here, guys, you're gonna choose how much you wanna withdraw, guys. As you can see, you can start withdrawing when you have 30 rand, guys. So like this is amazing, guys. You can withdraw starting from 30 rand and to 100 rand, 200 rand, 500 rand. That's cool, guys. So you're gonna click withdraw, but just because my network is bad, I don't think this will work. So guys, you're gonna click withdrawal. I'm gonna choose 30 rand. If you like, when you have a 30 rand on a balance, as you can see, I'm having here 1 rand. Just because I'm already draw my money. So you can click, or where they say 30 rand, I'm gonna click withdrawal. But what basically you can say is that I cannot cash out just because I don't have that 30 rand. Okay, so you're gonna come, like, first of all, you need to put your bank accounts here so that you can withdraw. You cannot withdraw without putting this here, guys. Please make sure you put your bank account correct. Input name, put the name on your bank account, like Mr. Mr. Thabiso. The same name as you see on your card, on your maybe Capitec card, or like basically is what they need here. And the bank name maybe is Capitec, and input your bank account and input your phone number. Please guys, I beg, do that the right way, just because you won't get the money if you do it wrong, guys. Because it happened to me. So I don't want you to get stuck. I don't want you to get stuck, like failure of receiving the cash, so that you can be mad at me. But you should be mad at yourself, just because I'm not the problem, you are. So please make sure you put the right information there. So guys, see you on the next video. Don't forget, the link will be on my description. When you want to register, you get a link on my description. See you on the next video.